From the dashboard, select the timetable option from the left-hand menu, then choose Create Timetable. On the Create Timetable page, you'll see fields for starting time, ending time, and time slot duration. Click on the starting time field and set the beginning of the school day. Click on the ending time field and set the end of the school day. Click on the time slot duration field and set the length of each class period. Once you've entered the times, click the Get button to apply the settings. A list of classes and sections will appear below the time settings. Find the class and section you want to create a timetable for, and click the Colorful View button next to it, which takes you to a new page where you can start arranging the schedule. Drag and drop subjects. On the new page, you'll see a list of subjects and teachers on the left side and a weekly calendar grid on the right. Click and hold on a subject block. Drag the block to the desired day and time on the timetable grid and release it. Continue dragging and dropping subjects for each day of the week. Find the break block on the left-hand side. Drag and drop the break block to the appropriate time slot on the timetable. The platform also allows you to view schedules for specific teachers. Click the back button to return to the list of classes. You can then navigate to a different view, like the teacher timetable, to see the schedule for a specific teacher.